Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Tech Academy. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to create a Rumble account. Now in order to create a Rumble account, first of all you have to tap on Rumble applications. So here in my area the Rumble account is not available, so I'm gonna go to Google and access the browser of Rumble account. But if it is available on your country, then you can surely go ahead and install it from Play Store and do the same procedure as I do here. So need not worry guys, the procedure is all same. So since it is not available in my area, I'm gonna go to Google and access its browser and teach you how to create a Rumble account. Go ahead and type Rumble. Now go ahead and tap on Rumble. See, it says this item is not available in your country. So I'm gonna go tap on second option that says Rumble. It will access its browser on my mobile phone so that I can easily create an account with it. Now you will be entering in this page. You can see sign up in the top right corner, so go ahead and tap on that sign up. Now it will ask you your several informations here in order to register with Rumble. So it says a free account registration, so it means you can register it free. So go ahead and tap all the credentials that has asked. First of all, go ahead and tap on your name. Now after you tap on your name and username, go ahead and tap on a password. So make sure to set a strong password. After you set a strong password for your Rumble account, go ahead and tap on the same password that you typed earlier, that is retype password. So go inside the box of retype password and type your password again. Now go ahead and tap on your email address. Make sure to type on the email address that you have access to, that is your email address. Now again go in the box of retype email address and go ahead and retype your email address in order to confirm it. After you are retyping your email address, go ahead in the box of country and there are several options available for country and choose yours. So I've already chosen mine. Now it's time for birthday, so go ahead and tap on your birthday, that is correct birth date. After you're done tapping on your correct birth date, go ahead and you can see here register option. Here are optional fields available. You can fill in the information that has been asked here, but it's optional field, so I'm not gonna do that for now. All these credentials are enough to create a Rumble account for me, so it's your choice. Now all you have to do is tap on register, so go ahead and tap on register. So guys, make sure you check in the box so that you can register your account. Without it, it's not possible to register Rumble account. So you can learn from my mistake and go ahead and tap on register. Now it says please check your email to activate your account to start uploading videos. So go ahead on your Gmail account. All we have to do is please click on the following link to confirm your email address is valid. Click here to activate your account. So go ahead and click here to activate your account. So it says your account has been successfully verified. So that's it guys. Now you can enjoy all the features of Rumble. How to change username on Rumble. Now in order to change Rumble username on your mobile phone, first of all go ahead and tap on Rumble application. Here in my area Rumble application is not available, so I'm gonna go to Google and then access it with my browser. Tap on Rumble. If you too are accessing it from browser, then go ahead and tap on search and then click on the first option available of Rumble. Now you are logged into your Rumble account. Now you want to change your username of Rumble account, so go ahead and tap on that little profile icon which is in the top right corner. Now tap on account overview over many options here. Now as you can see, this is your account and there is no option of changing username. So it is pretty clear that we don't have any options of changing our username on Rumble once the account has been already created. So the only way to change your username on Rumble is to create a new channel or a whole new account on Rumble. So that's the only way you can change your username and then create it with a new username. How to follow someone on Rumble. Now, in order to follow someone on Rumble, first of all, you have to tap on Rumble application. So since Rumble application is not available on my region, I'll go ahead and tap on Google and then access Rumble's browser. But if you do have Rumble application available on your mobile phone, then you can directly tap on Rumble app, but the procedure will be same, so need not worry. Sure, I'll tap search for Rumble application on Google in order to get through its website. Now tap on the first option that says Rumble, and then you will be logged into your Rumble account. Now go ahead and tap on search, which is just beside Rumble. Go ahead and tap on search icon and then search for the person you want to follow. After you're done tapping on the person who you want to follow, then tap on search in your mobile screen, which is in the bottom right corner. Now you will be opened with the person's profile on your mobile phone, so go ahead and tap on the profile. Now this is the home screen of the person you want to follow. As you can see, the follow options given, so go ahead and tap on follow. So you have followed the person. So that's how we can easily follow on Rumble account. How to unfollow someone on Rumble. Now, in order to unfollow someone on Rumble, first of all, you have to tap on Rumble application. So since Rumble application is not available on my region, I have to go through Google and access its website. But if it is available on your region, then go ahead and tap on the Rumble application. But since it is not available on my region, I'll go through Google and then go to the search box and type for Rumble. After we're done typing for Rumble, go ahead and tap on search. Now go ahead and tap on first option that has been provided saying Rumble. So this is the one, as you can see. Tap on there. Now you will enter in home screen of your Rumble account. So go ahead and tap on that little search icon, which is just beside Rumble. After you type on there, go ahead and tap on the name of the person who you want to unfollow. So I've already typed the name of the person. Now go ahead and tap on search icon, which is in the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. Now you will be appeared with this profile of the person who you just typed and search. Go ahead and tap on the profile of the person. Now you will get the unfollow option, as I've already followed this person. So go ahead and tap on that unfollow option and then you're done. Now again, if you want to follow, you can tap on follow or keep the person in unfollowing list. So that's how we can easily unfollow a person on Rumble. How to upload a video on Rumble. So if you want to upload a video on Rumble and do not know how to get started, then this video is for you. Now, in order to upload a video on Rumble, first of all, go ahead and tap on Rumble application. Since Rumble application is not available on my region, so I'm gonna go to Google and then search for Rumble and then go to its website and upload a video. But if you have Rumble application in your mobile phone, then go ahead and upload a video by tapping on the app itself. But here I'm doing it with the website. So do not worry guys, the procedure is all same. So you can also follow this video also if you have an app. So go ahead and click on the plus sign, which is just beside the search button. Go ahead and click on there. Now click on upload video. Now you will be appeared with this screen on your mobile phone. It says upload, share and license your video. So that's interesting. Go ahead and tap on the page of select video to upload, and then now it's being loaded and it's 100% loaded. That's amazing. Now you have to tap on several video informations in order to upload a video on Rumble. So first of all, tap on video title and then tap on the title of a video. Now go ahead and tap on the video description box and go ahead and describe your video in order to upload it in Rumble. After you're done describing your video, go ahead to video thumbnails and then select your video thumbnail. After you're done selecting your video thumbnail, you can also get options here, so you can randomly click on those options or you can choose by your own. So after that, you can also tap on tags and then provide tags for your video. So it is optional, so you might or might not do that. It's okay. I'm not gonna do that for this video. And then here we come to visibility. You can even public your video. That means anyone can watch this video. You can even post it in unlisted, which means only people with link can watch this video, or you can even private your video. That means only you can watch that video. So you can even schedule it. That means you can select a date to make your own video public. For now, I'm gonna go with private my video, and then that's it guys. We have done all the procedures of uploading a video to Rumble. So here we can tap on upload in order to upload a video. So go ahead and tap on this green box of upload. So now you will be appeared with this screen on your mobile phone which says your licensing options. So go ahead and choose from the options that has been available. There are 4 options available. After you are done selecting from this, then it asks you about additional video information. So go ahead and tap who appears in this video. Now go ahead in the box of where and when was the video recorded and provide them with your time and the place. After that, you can provide them with your YouTube, Instagram or TikTok ID. After you are done, come below and see terms and conditions. You have to agree all of these 2 boxes and then you can simply click on submit. So that's it guys, it says video upload complete. So that's how you can simply upload your video on Rumble. How to change profile picture on Rumble. Now in order to change profile picture in your Rumble account, first of all go ahead and tap on Rumble application. So since Rumble application is not available on my region, so I'm gonna head up to Google and then search for Rumble and then get access to its website. So if Rumble app is already installed in your mobile phone, that is if it is available on your region, then you can simply tap on Rumble application instead of going and searching it on Google. So on Google, first of all type on Rumble application and then tap on search. Now head up to the first option of Rumble, click on there. Now this is my account or my channel on Rumble. So go ahead and tap on the profile icon which is in the top right corner. Now you can see several options available here such as account overview, stats and earning, my content, my channel's live streaming, but you have to tap on second last option that says account options. So go ahead and tap on account options. Now scroll all the way down and then you can see profile picture here. So go ahead and tap on upload photo just below your profile. Now you will be available with a tick sign and a cross mark. So go ahead and tap on the tick sign which is inside the green box. Now it says uploading profile picture. So I'm sure it's gonna take some time. Now scroll all the way down. So that's it guys. I have changed my profile picture into another photo. So it has been uploaded and changed. So this was the easiest way to change our profile picture on Rumble. How to sign out Rumble account. Now in order to sign out a Rumble account, first of all go ahead and tap on Rumble application. Here in my recent Rumble app is not available, so I'm gonna go to Google and access the browser of a Rumble account. You can also do that, but if it is available you can directly go on Rumble account by tapping on that app. If it is available, then it is also the same procedure, so do not worry, it is useful for both of the processes. For now, go ahead and tap on Rumble in Google if Rumble is not available on your area too. So go ahead and tap on Rumble and then click on the first option that says Rumble. Now here as you can see, I have already been logged into my Rumble account and I need to sign out from the Rumble account. So go ahead and tap on that little profile icon which is in the top right corner. After you tap on that profile, you will get several options related to your account. So you can see sign out is in last option. So go ahead and tap on that last option that says sign out. So click on there. As simple as that, it's done. Now again you can sign in or sign up for a new Rumble account. How to delete your Rumble account. Now in order to delete a Rumble account, first of all go ahead and tap on Rumble application. So since Rumble application is not available in my area, I'm gonna go to Google and then search for Rumble and then tap on search. Now go to the first option that says Rumble. Now you can tap on the little profile icon which is in the top right corner. Now tap on second last option that says account options. Now scroll all the way down and at the end you can see close Rumble account. So it says you can close your Rumble account at any time. This will make all your Rumble content unavailable to you and to other people. So make sure you read all of that and then tap on close your account. Now it asks on close your Rumble account. This will make all Rumble content including videos, comments, subscriptions and reactions unavailable to you and to other people. So if you want to change your mind, tap on I've changed my mind. But today in this video we are doing to delete Rumble account. So go ahead and tap on proceed to next step. Now it asks for our confirmation. It says we will send you an email with a one-time link to finish closing your account. So are you sure you want to continue? So yes, we are sure. So go ahead and tap on yes. Now it says we have sent you an email with one-time link to finish your closing account. So let's go and check on email. Here you can see the email. Now tap on close my account. Tap on Chrome. Now tap close and then tap on next. Tap on close my account. Tap on yes. That's it guys, your Rumble account has been closed. So this is how we can easily close our Rumble account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.